Good afternoon. It is March 13th, I believe. Yeah, March 13th, and today starts right here. So today we were moving in this downtrend, and then we got a slight overshoot, and now we've been correcting. So I was looking at this chart. So let's take a look here, and we were in this range. I drew it like this. From yesterday, there was a range, and then we hit the measured move and bounced a few times. And so this morning, um, there's all this sideways stuff. I think it's reasonable to go short here. Um, I mean, it's reasonable to go short here too, but really either of these entries aren't great because of all this overlap. Um, so maybe you take the lower high right here. But we come down here and then we bounce. And again, you could also take this high or low, but there's overlap there. We come up here and then you get a lower high after bouncing off the highs. That one's pretty good. There's no overlap here, or not much. It looks like a breakout pullback of this range here, this 3-bar range. So there's reason to like that. But if you're patient, I guess you could look at this as a second entry short, but I look at it as the second entry is right here. And that's a really good, that's confirmation of the trend line. That's a solid move. So then we're going down. There's a bull trap here. Boom, boom. Come to the bottom of the channel, you pull back to the EMA and the trend line. So could you take this? Yeah, that's pretty aggressive though. And if you're patient, it pays off because you get a nice second entry short. You could see a bunch of people took profits at the new low. So that makes you think we could be in a range, and that's what happened. We were in a range. So we rally to the top of the range and then break out to the low side. And then look at that. You get a breakout pullback. That's also a second entry short. And I suspected that we were forming a new channel here, so I drew a line off of these two lows, dragged it up to the highs, and then what we did was along that line we created a wedge bottom. And so you could take that. That first one is aggressive. So this entry here, long, is aggressive because if you look at the 17,000 tick chart, you're in this downtrend. And it's pretty scary going long in a downtrend. Look at that signal bar, terrible signal bar. So this first entry is very aggressive, but I think this one is confirmation that this was a wedge bottom. 3 pushes down, 1, 2, 3, higher low, boom, very good entry. Yeah, I took that and I was pretty satisfied with that. I think the first profit target is the midline of this range, and you can see a lot of people did take it right there. And then yeah, obviously the second one is up here. So very good move, and that's how I saw it today. So let's take a look at the daily chart. So the daily chart, we made a new low, but we bounced, and it's looking like a doji right now with a bare body. But you know, a lot can happen between now and market close, which is in about an hour and 15 minutes. So I hope everyone had a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow.